Yeah, she said she go put me pan diet cause me put them too stink. But then I wait it smell like. I don't me I said to her, I don't know if she a plan fi give me cause me not go name no bush like goat. Hello, I. On the concept is no sister wait.
You guys wasted 5 minutes of class. Do you think you're wasting my time or yours?
Me would I rather do my SpongeBob on my granny cable TV. I went since when I get cable. Me if I think a black and white TV she have.
We are 5 topics behind the other classes.
But sir, school not just start.
The last time I checked Tootsie, I was the teacher. Would you like to come up here and teach the class?
No sir.
I thought so. I'll start off with a pop quiz. Just 3 questions.
Why this man have to come to the country out the woman problem them pan with oh God. Tootsie you can't shut up, you're gonna make we get in a trouble, you know. Not 3 questions, sir, say Maggie. Why so much page?
Well, if you look closely, you'll see each question is divided into A to Z. You may begin, this is worth 50% of your exam grade.
You think you pass? Girl, me gonna get past me name an idiot. Same.